Do you want to unlock all Plotagon scenes without hacking, just like what you are seeing on the screen? And do you want to know how I unlock all the scenes and characters? So let's check out the character as well. How all the scenes and characters are being unlocked. Let me just click on this. When you see arrow like that, simply means download. Like I said, how to unlock all this without hacking. No hacking is required, so select on it, and I have the character there. Okay, and as well you can also go back there and create new content. So everything is fully unlocked without hacking. You are not hacking anything, you are not downloading anything, you are not doing anything, copying anything to anything. No, you are not doing anything of such. Okay, so you can see this is the accessories for the air rather. Okay, now this is the air. You see the clothes as well. Everything are totally free. Okay, without hacking. You are not hacking anything, nothing like hacking at all. I'll show you how this is being done, and you are not infringing the rights of Plotagon as well. Okay, this is totally free. Free in a sense that you are not hacking, you are not doing anything of hacking. Once you follow this procedure that I'm about to show you, then you have all the old scenes and character unlock, okay, without hacking. Please take note of that. Take note of what I said, without what? Without hacking. All right, so and you can select another way for your character. So majority of all these things I haven't downloaded them, so that's why you notice that it is a little bit loading up. Okay, so you can see now. All right, so guys, let's dive into today's video. Welcome to Femtech Animation Studio. Shout out to my recent subscribers. I love you guys. Plotagon and the likes. Thank you so much for the subscribe. Thank you for the like. Thank you for the thumbs up. I really appreciate. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button. Smash the subscribe button, like my video, and share to your friends, family, and total strangers. Have you done that? All right, so let's go there. Okay, before we proceed, I would like to let you know this, that do not skip this video. Okay, make sure you watch it to the very end so that you understand how to have access to all this content without hacking them. Okay, and you would, it's what you would do, you continue to enjoy as long as you want. Okay, so let's get right to it now. As you can see that though you could see all these arrows, all it's just require is for me to just click on the download button, then it will what, it will download, then I can make use of the characters. Okay, so let's see how I was able to achieve this and what did I do. Okay, so it's quite simple. Let me just click on this character. So you can notice the character is also added to the what, to the scene. Okay, so what exactly did I do to have access to all this content? And when I say without hacking, what did I do? Are you curious to know what I did? Sure, I'll surely let you to know. Okay, so and before I do that, please, so sorry that I'm making this video to be very long, but I have to let you guys understand one thing. Plotagon has been a life-saving ammunition for phone users and for Android and for desktop users. Those who actually want to get their self into animations. Okay, now to whom much is given, much is deserved. Okay, thus hold that at the back of your mind. Like I said, to whom much is given, much is deserved. So they've given us a lot of things we can use, though there might be some limitations, okay, to what it can do, but at least is a kickstart. All right, so let's see what I did and why did I say to whom much is given, much is deserved. Okay, so let's see. First, uh when you open up your Plotagon, okay, your Plotagon story. Now what I did is quite simple, okay, and it will really pay you, because when you hack your softwares, you are tendency to install virus on your device, okay, and that is the reason why it is not good to hack your software. Okay, better still you do it in the right way. Okay, now what am I trying to say? Okay, this is what I do. Now when you click on the cat button, okay, there's a cat button here, that is this cat button. When you click on this cat button here, all right, so let me cancel that, then click on it. Now you will notice what I did. Now you notice that this is gold, you have the voice, you have the silver, you have all this. Okay, you have everything here for you. Okay, you have everything here for you. So let's see what exactly that was done. Okay, it's quite simple. Now just click on this gold. Okay, like remember I said, too much is given, much is deserved. Okay, yes, all you need to do is to just buy this package. Hold on, do not throw stone at me. Okay, this does cost, in Nigerian currency, it does cost 900 naira to have access to all the content. Okay, to have access to all the thousands of scenes you have in Plotagon, and also the characters. Okay, guys, remember I said to whom much is given, much is deserved. All right, now if you are looking for a video that shows you how to hack and eventually you spoil your phone, then this video is not for you. Okay, but like I said in the beginning of this video, how to unlock all without hacking. Okay, now if you now want to know how to get access to all these things freely, and probably you change your phone or you buy a new phone, then you can still continue to use your the service, the premium service you've purchased from Plotagon. Okay, so let me show you how this is done. It's quite simple. All you need to do is to have a ATM card. Okay, you can either use your MasterCard or your Visa card. Okay, this is not only in Nigeria, in everywhere in the country. Okay, once you can be able to install Plotagon, then you should be able to unlock this without hacking it, and you have a free access to it at any time. Okay, so let's see how this is done. It's quite simple. So let me just go to this. Probably I want to purchase this Plotagon voice. Okay, this is what I actually did. Now you click on the voice. Okay, then it will tell you, for that gold it was 900 naira at the time I was recording this video. Okay, and it's also still 900 naira. Okay, probably if you're an iPhone user, it's my little bit expensive, probably with 200 naira plus. Okay, but it's worth it. Please, it's really worth it. So once you click on subscribe, once you click the subscribe button, it will bring out this Google Play subscription button for you. Okay, that is from your Play Store, and probably this is your first time, you've not done something of such before, then to ask you to add a card. Okay, now you can see I have various card I've used here, so it will ask you to add a card. So this is the add a card button. You can see this is the add a card. This you are seeing, this add a card. Okay, add credit or debit card, sorry, add credit or debit card. So what you need to do is to just click on the add credit or debit card. Okay, so you input your details. All right, input your details. the date it will expire, and the CVV 3 digit pin. And once you've done that, then you click on save. Make sure you have at least that amount of money on that account. Okay, then once you select it, then just press subscribe. Okay, and it's within few seconds it will be okay, and boom, that is it. You've been able to what, to unlock everything. So the next thing for you to do, once that is successful, what you will see is this, something like this. This is what you see to say congratulations, everything on this page is now unlocked. Okay, so guys, that is how to go about it. But one more thing, just in case probably you close the app. Okay, you close the app and you open it later, and it says you notice that your is showing you that you need to purchase it again in order for it to work again. Okay, probably you are not having access to all those things again. It's showing something like a cat, button. Okay, what you just need to do is to come onto the settings here. Once you've purchased it, okay, just select this that says restore button. Okay, that says restore purchase. All right, just select the restore purchase button, and once it will tell you, so let me do that. Let me just click on restore purchase. So it will says restoring your previous purchase. Okay, and once that is done, boom, you have it all. So guys, that like I said, too much is given, much is deserved. Thank you, Plotagon, for creating a such kind of content for us, for all phone users, and for all laptop users, for everyone that actually wants to dive into the world of animation. So guys, at this junction, I'll say goodbye for now. See you in the next video. Just in case you have any question, please kindly leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll try my possible best to create a video if necessary. Alright guys, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends and total strangers. One love. Bye for now. Signing out.